Hey team, I made a video last year of how to create groups, but I don't know where it's at, so I'm going to make a new one in case you need it. I am in the online learning through OLS at the home page. First thing you do is this tools drop down to groups. Go ahead and click on groups. I did create an English department group, so go and click on English department and you'll see all of your names and your grade level. This year I think it's the easiest for us to just grade by grade level, including those concurrent enrollment students, which I'll put your list in our email. But if I wanted to add students, I would click on my name and then enroll users. And to ensure this is FERPA friendly, our little 80s cat is going to chill right there. So there we go. Here's students, and here is a checklist. So just select your students. I usually kind of toggle this split screen between my Excel roster and this list. This does take probably a good 5 to 7 minutes because each page is 200 students. So what you'll want to do is select all your students on the first page, scroll all the way down. Don't forget to save. You do need to save every single page. If you go from page 1 to page 2 without saving, you lose your progress, and that's really sad and depressing. So don't do that, okay? After you do the first page, of course, keep going on forward, and there's that. There will be all of your students in your group. It's very worthwhile to create the groups, as then when you go into the grades, let me get my FERPA guy. You can actually view by groups. And this is going to mess my FERPA friendliness up, but it's the thought that counts. Then you can click on your actual group. And because I don't have any students in there, I don't have any students in here, but it will show all of the students you've put on your roster. It's a lot easier to grade that way. So that's my suggestion for grading these. I'll make another video really quickly on how to actually go through and grade with the rubric, AJ. But for everyone else, farewell.